Dr. Mike Licona. Welcome back to the 10 most common myths pertaining to the resurrection of Jesus. Today we're covering myth number 7, that the accounts of Jesus' resurrection were merely a legend. In other words, what really happened we may not know. Maybe Jesus died, maybe that was it and nobody heard anything. And then legends about a resurrection develop much later, and this is what we're reading about in the Gospels and in Paul's letters. The problem with this is that we have reports that go back to the original apostles. For example, in 1 Corinthians chapter 15, Paul talks about the resurrection of Jesus, that he died, was buried, rose, and appeared to others, several of whom he knew, like Peter and James. Moreover, people who knew the disciples said that Paul was teaching the correct things regarding the message of truth, the gospel. And so we know Paul was teaching what the Jerusalem apostles were teaching, that Jesus died, rose from the dead, and appeared to others. So this goes back to the eyewitnesses themselves. You can accuse them of lying or hallucinating or whatever you would accuse them of, but a legend can't happen because it was the original apostles of Jesus who were making the initial proclamation that Jesus had been raised and had appeared to them. Now, if you want to know more about this, we have a DVD that we've created, and on that DVD called The Case for the Resurrection of Jesus, we do deal with a lot of naturalistic explanations, or several of the most common ones today. And we also deal with things that we can establish as historical facts. So there's a lot we're going to cover in there, and you can order that DVD by clicking on the link that you see at the bottom. That's myth number 7. Tomorrow we deal with myth number 8, and that is that science proves that resurrections do not occur.